Hey, dog. Hey, yo, your car's fucking sick, cuz. Hey, check this out. What size are those wheels? What kind of tires did you do? That fender roll, though, nigga. That fender roll had to be the truth. Nigga, how long did shit take? Who did it for you? Yo, what's your fucking blood type, cuz? Hey, your car. What kind of springs? What kind of spring rates, cuz? Hey, when I get my shit, you want to set it up for me?
Nigga, look at the wheels, nigga. What them motherfuckers is, nigga? That shit say VS, nigga. It could be vaginal sex, nigga, cause they wet, nigga. I don't know what that is, nigga. Them tires, though, that stretch is ill, nigga. How the fuck did you do that stretch? Did they use a cheetah? Nigga, I use any other animal like a lion or something? Nigga, that shit says stand, like B-boy stands. Nigga, this is like the 80s, nigga. We hip-hoppers, nigga. Yeah, that Camber, though. Nigga, that shit, fuck that shit happened, nigga. It's like a UFO. Hot line and fat lace. What if the line was cold, nigga, what the laces was skinny, cuz? Shit, nigga, that's hella clean. I didn't even see that shit. SYTFE, what's that stand for? Starving Young Teens for Unity, cuz? Oh, bruh, why I make that sound? That don't sound like a motherfucking V8, nigga. You had the V8 swapped it, right? The paint. What is your paint code, nigga? I know that shit ain't factory. Nigga, that shit custom. That shit custom, huh?
Please tell me, nigga. I just gotta know. Nigga, I need to know what your setup is, nigga. I need to do that shit, nigga. My motherfucking Civic gotta look just like that.